Hey everyone, I'm Ben Townley from 101 Adventures, Yamaha New Zealand ambassador, and want to tell you a little bit about my Totara and the upgrades that I've done with Moto SR and Scotty and his team there. I'd done about probably 10,000 kilometres on my bike standard, and finally jumped on Scotty's to have a ride, and I couldn't believe the difference. So I said to Scotty, it's time we upgraded my Totara, and here we are today. I just want to share some of my experience of it and how it feels underneath me when I'm riding it. Across the board on the gravel, I felt like it was a lot more of a balanced package, and definitely a lot more predictable. As soon as we'd put this package into the bike, I even felt better on the road. Just felt more nimble, and I was able to, especially in the tighter corners on the road, I had more control of the bike and felt like I was able to gain more confidence of my road riding. So just overall, I would say that the biggest thing is the bike just feels way more balanced for me, and that's something that I didn't really notice until I'd actually ridden on Scotty's bike, and then now have that on my bike and have put another 4,000 kilometres on since, and just loving the feel and that confidence that I get when I ride it with this package. Yeah, if you're in the market for some adventure suspension, see the team at Moto SR. A great bunch of guys, and you're going to have a much better experience.